Hello, beautiful people. You guys know that Netflix presents a super hit movie, Project Power. This movie, number one in trending on Netflix. Project Power releases on August 14, 2020. Now we discuss about the story of the Project Power. Project Power is a story about an ex-soldier, a teen, and a cop collide in New Orleans as they hunt for the reason behind a dangerous new pill that grants users temporary superpowers for 5 minutes to a drug dealer including Newt. After 6 weeks, Newt's teenager cousin, Robin, is also a drug dealer. He robbed by his customers for attaining their superpower. One of her buyers rescued her by NOPD officer Frank Shaver. A distributor, Biggie, tracks down Newt because a man dies when he overdoses on power. Frank disappoints the bank robbery by the power-enhanced thief, but he is also suspended because he also uses that power for himself. Frank's captain tells to the government personally and pressuring Frank to end any kind of investigation into power and gives Frank a picture of the man whom the police suspects of the drug. Next scenes to kidnap Robin, they use Newton's phone. They shifted Robin to the drug cartel's safe house. Robin being shot when he tried to run from safe house. After that, they found out that power users being throughout the Orleans are monitored as tests for that drug. Art comes closest to Robin and he made a bond with him while treating his wounds. He leaves military and when Art recruited by Televis to create superpower, private defense contractor experiments on him. A Televis operative, Bellis, kidnaps Art's daughter, Tracy, because she has exhibited power without the drug and she was born after that experiment. Art and Robin team up and they find Vicky. He was hosted a private demonstration of Project Power near the Superdome for the potential buyer. In the Superdome, many groups are arriving just to play a home game. Biggie claims that this superpower represents the next evolution of the human species. Pill's power derived from the abilities of animals like wolf-praying frog and chameleon. Biggie interrogated by Art at gunpoint and he learned about the ship, the Genesis, but Frank's intervenes having tracked other users to the demonstration. Biggie killed an explosion by Art because Biggie takes an overdose of power and forcing Art, Robin and Frank to flee. After all this drama, Frank arrested Art and informed his captain, but Art explains to the captain that the power epidemic is just mass testing to strong and stabilize the drug in New Orleans and Tracy is the only source of their drug power. When he convinced Frank that his captain taking orders from Televis, Art intentionally captured himself by Televis and taken to the other country, the Genesis. Art induced a guard to free him while Frank and Robin enters into the ship and they kill Wallace. Robin finds Tracy and they reunites father and daughter. Dr. Gardner captured Robin as for attempts to flee. Project Power head demands Tracy in return of Robin's life and Dr. Gardner is the head of that Project Power. Art revealed in front of Gardner that the power gives him the ability of pistol shrimp. Art killed Gardner and his men rescued Robin. Using his power cost Art his life, Tracy inactivates him with her own powers and they all escape from the ship. Frank who wanted to expose Project PAR to the press media. On the other note, Art decides to move on. Art gives a truck and a bag full of money to Robin to cover her mother's medical needs, and he told her that she uses positivity and greatness which is inside her. Finally, Art and Tracy are departed and they all are set free. Thank you beautiful people for watching our videos. For more videos, press the bell icon.